Hey everyone, it's AppTap. In this video, I will show you how to block or reduce ads on Facebook. The steps are simple and quick, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your Android or iPhone device. If you are using a computer, you can follow the same step by going to facebook.com in your browser. Once the Facebook open, tap the three-line menu. After the menu opens, tap Setting and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Now we need to open the Account Center. Now tap here. Inside the Account Center, select Ad Preferences. This section shows different information related to the ads you see on Facebook. The first part shows recent ad activity, which lists ads you have recently viewed or interacted with. Another option you will see is advertisers you have seen. Tap on that. Here you will find a list of companies that have shown ads to you. If there is an advertiser you don't want to see anymore, tap on that advertiser and choose Hide Ads. After that, Facebook will stop showing ads from that company. You can also manage info to see more advertiser and hide ads from any of them if you want. Now go back to the previous page. Another option here is Add Topics. Tap on it. This section shows the types of topics Facebook may use to show you ads. For example, you might see topics like clothing, shopping, or other interests. Each topic has a preference settings. You can leave it no preferences or choose see less. If you want to reduce ads about the topic, you can also tap View and Manage Topics to adjust more topics. For example, if you are not interested in a certain subject, select it and choose See Less Often. This tells Facebook to show fewer ads related to that topic. Just keep in mind, this does not completely remove ads from Facebook. It only helps control which type of ads you see more or less often. Now go back again and open Ad Information. In this section, Facebook shows the information it uses to decide which ads may interest you. For example, you might see audience-based advertising. Here you can review advertiser list that may have been used to target you. If you want, you can remove yourself from those lists. You will also see social interactions. This lets you control who can see your activity related to ads. By adjusting these settings, you can limit and control the type of ads that appears on your Facebook account. Just remember, these settings reduce ads, but they will not completely remove them. I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to AppTab for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.